Hey everybody, do you want to learn a small trick that'll help you cut wooden roof shingles a little quicker? I'm going to show you how coming up next. Hey everybody, I'm Brady, and today on Keep Making Dust, I'm going to show you just a quick way to make some easy roof shingles. I have a project that I have to use these for, so I'm going to show you just something real quick that'll help you out when anytime you're cutting something that's, you got to cut a lot of them. So I'm going to bring you in close and I'll show you. So I'm making these little roof shingles for a project, and they are 5 inches wide by 6 inches long. And the way I did it, I cut 5-inch strips out of what I had, and then what you do, measure 6 inches, set your saw so we know, hey, that's 6 inches, I'm on my mark, right? Hold your board, pick up your saw, and then right on your table saw, take your pencil and go and make yourself a mark. If you've got a hold down clamp, which this one has one, I don't keep it on here because it actually, I feel like it gets in my way. But what you can do now is, since we know this is 6 inches, all we got to do is put our board, cut it. There's this 5 inch by 6 inch. When it comes time, you just slide it back to that mark again. Cut it, slide it, cut it, slide it. Alright, so now we got a few of them. What we're going to do is turn it to a 45, and we're going to figure out about what we want to take off. And here, it's about 1 inch is what we're wanting to take off of that corner. So what you want to do is measure you 1 inch, put your mark on it, and when you set your saw, you're just going to cut just a little bit, just nick it right on your mark, just so you know. What I did, see my nick here? So then that way, let me get her line back up. So you nick it, you take your pencil, draw you another line, and now all you've got to do, cut it, flip it, line it up, cut it. There's your little shingle. So what we can do from that is just keep on. So that was a quick way to cut little wood shingles for whatever project you may be doing around the house. These are actually for a project I have coming up. It's a scrap wood water hose wishing well. So place to store your hose so it ain't an eyesore every time you drive in your yard. So if you like this video, think about hitting the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with projects like this, as well as, quick tips and grow your skills little videos. You can follow us on Instagram, on Facebook at KeepMakinDust. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making dust.